The other thing that I want to get working is the artwork on the Samsung frame. Like my Homebridge plugin was solid. It always just worked. Like as soon as you turn off the Apple TV, artwork would just come up. It was perfect. And I've never been able to get any of the Home Assistant ones to work as reliably.
Do,
And
do
so I
you
was
mean to like to change the artwork or just to put it in frame like
just
art
to put
mode
it
or
in
whatever they
frame
call it?
art mode. Yeah. Like whenever you use the Apple TV remote, because I like to just have, one
Yeah,
remote
yeah.
and we only use the Apple TV as an interface. So when you power it off or put it to sleep, it turns the TV off, and now it just turns the TV off. The older we have two frames. We have the older original version that I think is a 2017 model or something, and you can turn off CEC and arc
Mhm.
in both it and the Apple TV, and then it does default to art mode. But the newer frames don't, and it seems like nobody. I don't know if Samsung changed the API or what, but I can't figure out how to get it to where when I make the Apple TV off, art just happens. I have to always use that Samsung remote.
Yeah, so with some of the plugins, there's actually like a change to I think I don't know if I still have my Samsung frame in Home Assistant. We still use it. I've ranted about this before, so but I'm not a fan. I just found the quality of the TV itself wasn't where I wanted it to be.
Got it.
But with the art mode, that was a problem for a very long time because it was all the plugins basically say off or
Yep.
on,
Yep.
and art is this like weird in between state
Yeah.
where it's not quite a source. Like you're not saying
Hmm.
HDMI two. It's and it's not similar to that, but it kind of is.
Yeah.
So usually when you hit off, there's something. But a couple of the plugins, I want to say it was like Samsung Smart or something like that.
Samsung TV Smart is the one
I
that I
think
found that
so.
you can invoke art mode. It'll change the power toggle, but then it's only if you power it off
Yeah,
with Home Assistant. It's
through
not
Home
if,
Assistant.
yeah. And then,
Yeah,
and I've tried like, okay, if I turn off the Apple TV, if the TV's off in Home Assistant, turn it back on and then turn it back off, but it's so kludgy and it's unreliable.
yeah.
So,
Yeah, and I find with the other thing you could do is you could use the instead of using the Apple TV remote, you use the Samsung remote and
yep,
operate the Apple TV through there, which is what I have going on, right? So when I press the
yep.
power on the Samsung button, it will go to frame mode or frame
Yeah,
whatever art
that's
mode,
what
whatever they
I've
call it.
tried that, and that I just don't like that remote at all.
Yeah, I know,
So
I hate
I've
it.
seen the Sofa Baton 2 or whatever's out now, and it's like maybe that thing, but it's such an expensive fix to a dumb problem that I'm like, no, I'll push the art button on the Samsung remote because if that's my only use case
Yeah,
for it, it's hard to say.